The Island team is proud to present 7985 Glenallen Blvd, a gorgeous updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Northport, Florida. Centrally located, it's just a half-mile from the Narramore Sports Complex and Glenallen Elementary School, with the middle school and high school less than 2 miles away. You're also close to the beautiful Garden of the Five Senses, Heron Creek Golf Course, and the warm mineral springs. The home welcomes you with a lovely front porch and garden area, a perfect spot for sipping your morning coffee. Step inside the spacious foyer and great room with newly installed tile floors and vaulted ceilings. The open floor plan is set up in an L shape for a living room dining room combination. Continue through to the well-appointed updated kitchen with all new appliances, new laminate countertops, and resurfaced cabinets. Notice the pass-through window to the sunroom, perfect for entertaining. The wraparound breakfast bar is convenient for grabbing a quick snack or for informal dining. Or enjoy family meals in the dining area. Notice the sliding glass doors off of the dining room to the large Florida room. Relax and unwind in the master suite with walk-in closet and direct lanai access via sliding glass doors. The split bedroom floor plan with 2 extra guest bedrooms plus guest bath is perfect for hosting family and friends, providing maximum privacy for everyone. You'll also love the convenience of the separate laundry room with washer, dryer, and separate sink, plus plenty of shelving for storage. Entertain friends or enjoy family time in the spacious Florida room with that convenient pass-through window to the kitchen. Take full advantage of our lovely Southwest Florida climate in the spacious backyard with plenty of room for family fun or a pool and spa. Other recent upgrades include new carpet in the bedrooms, new AC in the fall of 2016, new garage door opener, and additionally, this house is on city water and sewer and in flood zone X, so flood insurance is not required. Plus, you're close to all the things that make living in Southwest Florida great: golf, fishing, beaches, boating, shopping, and, of course, our famous Gulf of Mexico sunsets. So don't delay, call the Island team today to schedule your private showing.